It's the holiday season. This is the time when people print millions and millions of dollars on their Shopify stores. But if you are someone who is still missing out, who is still confused what to sell during this time, then make sure to watch this video till the entire end. What I have done is I have shortlisted some of the potential winning products for your Shopify store, which you can easily find on AliExpress. But before starting out, if you are absolutely new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update because I am on a mission to help you guys achieve those 6, 7, 8 figures e commerce goals during this holiday season. This is a time when people actually love to shop. And if you are still missing out, if you think that, I'm still not sure what is the right product for my store, don't worry, I have already covered everything for you. Now, based on my experience, what I have done is I have divided these products in three basic categories. What I have noticed is that during Christmas, three categories or three niches sells the most. Number one is baby products. Products which can be used as gifts because you know that during Christmas, children are really excited about the Santa and what kind of gifts Santa is going to bring. So during this time, kids gifts actually sells like crazy, so that is the first category. Number two is decoration, because during the Christmas time people actually spend a lot of money on decorating their houses. They buy different kind of lights and different type of items in order to decorate their house during Christmas. And number three is jewelry, because Christmas gifts are always special and people like to gift their loved ones some kind of jewelry, some kind of ornament, especially during Christmas. So let's jump into my computer screen and let me share these products one by one with you. Alright, guys, so as you can see, this is the first product which I have shortlisted for this Christmas season. This is a very cool toy, and let me try and play this video for you guys. Look at this. So it's actually a perfect toy for kids, and I think it can keep them entertained. And I can see that it is having such good reviews, and it has been sold so many times. And I think it's a very cool product for Christmas. Look at this. So the ad can be very creative. You can make a very creative ad for this one. Videos on TikTok and whatnot about this product. So look at this. It's a great toy, and I'm sure that you can also see like it is having that appeal that it can actually be a scroll stopper. It can you can see that new parents can actually get really excited about this product, and they will actually end up buying this product. So I really hope that you like this one. Now let's check out the next product. Now this is from the decoration niche. Look at this.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime in jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright.
And I really hope that even you can actually find it interesting. And if you haven't pressed the like button so far, make sure to click on the like button.
It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in the one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle.
Click that like button because I am about to show you some really cool products. Now look at the third one. Look at the third one. Like this is again a good gift option, especially for Christmas. It's very cute, and I think people can actually find it very interesting. I believe it must be available in multiple variants. Let's simply scroll down. So look at this, guys, look at this. So it's very cute, like, it's something which is very cute, very unique, and they are having so many good variants, and I think it's a very cool product. Now let's go to the next one. This is one of my personal favorite, and I know that sells like crazy. It's a plush toy, and it's for people who love cats. It's for people who are having kids at home, and I think this product can actually do wonders for your store because I have tested this myself, and I know it sells like crazy. Look at this, look at this. So it's having so many different sizes, and it is having multiple variants, multiple colors. So it is something which is very interesting, and I have seen this selling like crazy. Look at this. Let's scroll down and let's see the pictures. So look at this. Look at this, guys, look at this. So it's a very cool product, and I think you should definitely give it a try. Now let's move on to the next one. Talking to the moon，放我身的力量，是不是会担心变成一只野兽？不给爱的入非心跳的节奏，是不是会暂停在世界的尽头？心跳在时光上的秘密，感觉想要呼吸，才能用力呼吸。出没在被遗忘的秋，你曾经的手。The best part is you can control the lightings using a remote, and it's very easy, and Christmas is the best time. Now the next product is again something which is very trending. It is something which is going to increase your average order value for sure. It's actually like matching a pair of clothes. It's matching pair of pajamas for a complete family, and I have seen that people actually buy this kind of stuff like crazy. If you come to this page, you can see that there are so many colors, so many variants are available on AliExpress, and I think this is a very cool and very cute product, and people would actually be very interested in wearing something like this. Look at this. So there are so many cool variants of this product, and I think you can actually sell it at a very good price. You can use just this picture as your ad, or maybe this picture. So there are so many cool pictures. Look at this. Even couples, you can target couples over here, you can target family. It's having such a broad niche, and it can actually be a high ticket item for your store. People are going to love it, and I think it's a pure winner. Let's move on to the next one. Now this is a very cool product. It's available for just $2 or $3, and the best part is it can be customized, which is why I really like this product. Look at this.
Should be criminals, playing it back and thinking. Oh my goodness, I'm no good at lying and kissing. I'm so sick of falling in love.
Things which can be customized sells like crazy. So let's scroll down. Let's see some of their designs if they're available. Okay, so I can see so many interesting products over here. Look at this, guys. So you can actually have your own custom message, something which you want here on this keyring, and I think this thing can actually sell like crazy. It's having super broad audience. You can target almost anybody. Family niche is one of my favorite niche, so you can actually go for family niche and get a custom keychain done. You can easily sell it for $24.99. Now this one is for dog lovers. I think it's very cute, very creative, and I again personally like this one. It's having very good reviews. It's having good number of orders, and I don't think it is very common at the moment.
今天为大家展示一组可爱的猫狗新人摆件，采用的是环保树脂材质，做工精细。除了日常的收纳，还可以作为居家装饰，为您打造一个温馨的家居体验哦。
It can be used as a decorative item, and look at this. So it is useful, plus it is super cute, and the pictures which are available over here are also very good. So look at this. So what you can do is you can actually have a picture of a dog just like this, and have a picture like a large picture of this particular product, and then you can test multiple variants, test multiple ad creatives to see which one is working for you. But I think it's a very good product. It's having good reviews, it's having good number of orders, and it hasn't been sold much. Now this one is from the Christianity niche. It is very beautiful. It's having super cool reviews. It's having so many orders, and I think it is something which people would actually love to wear because it's having Virgin Mary on this. And this is the time, like, Christmas is the time when necklaces like this actually sells like crazy, and it is something which is very beautiful, and it can be used as a gift item. It is very cool. Look at this, guys. So let me show you more pictures of this. All right, so look at this, guys. Look at this. So it has been so beautifully made, and I think this necklace is a pure winner. Look at this, guys. So it has been carved so beautifully, and I think this can be a good product. And of course, they are offering gift packaging, so you can actually get a custom packaging done, and I think it's a very good gift item, guys. It's a very good gift item. Now again, this product is again about Christianity niche, and it is a very cool product. Look at this, guys. So it's having multiple variants, and I think, like, you can definitely test. What I would recommend is, you can simply test three different kind of necklaces inside one campaign. So what I would recommend is create one big campaign, have multiple ad sets with different targeting in the Christianity niche, and inside every ad set what you can do is you can have three different products. So simply duplicate the ads three times and have three different necklaces inside those ad sets. This is the trick which I use, and it helps me a lot in finding out winners very quickly. So if I'm confused that which necklace is going to work in this particular niche, so what I would do is I would simply create one big campaign with multiple assets, and inside every asset I would put, like, three different products so that I can find the winning product. Every time when I'm having similar products, this is what I do. Now back to the screen. Let me show you the next one. Look at this, guys. Look at this. So this again is a very beautiful necklace. It looks super expensive, and I think you should definitely test it using the strategy which I have just shared with you. Look at this, guys. Now let's check out the next one. So this is a very cool bracelet. I have seen people selling this like crazy. The best part is, like, with the cross sign you can actually have your name's initial, like, A. If your name starts with A, you can have A over here, or if your name starts with M, just like mine, so you can actually buy a variant which is having a cross and M. So I think it's a very cool product, and the niche is very broad. This is a time when people would actually like to buy products like this, so don't miss out on these products, guys. Now this is something which is very cool. It is for people who are having gardens, and who likes to decorate their gardens during the holiday season. So look at this. I think it is very cute, and the best part is these are solar LEDs, so you don't actually have to put batteries or anything, and they get charged using the solar energy, and it looks so beautiful, guys. It looks so beautiful. I would definitely love to have it in my garden. Alright, I really hope that you are enjoying this video so far. If you are, make sure to hit that like button. It helps me with the algorithm, and it really helps us in reaching out to like-minded people. Now let's look at the next product. This again is a very similar product. You can apply the testing strategy which I have shared with you guys between these products. Like, you can have multiple decorative lights, and you can test them inside one big campaign in a way I have just explained. And I really love this product. I'll just fast forward this one because I like this part of the video where, like, they have shown this product in the night. Yeah, look at this. During the night, it actually looks very beautiful. I think it's a very cool product. So this is the kind of product I would love to test, and let's check out if they are having. Yeah, see, this is a very cool image. You can simply use three images, one for this one for this one, and one for any other, like, decorative light, and you can simply test them inside one big ad campaign. Now let's check out the last but my all-time favorite necklace. It's a very beautiful necklace. It is something that sells like crazy during any time of the year, and since this is the time where people are looking for some cool gifts, this is my number one product. Look at this, guys. So it comes with great packing, and look at this, how beautiful this is. It's having a sunflower plus a message inside it. Look at this, guys. So it is very, very beautiful. It is a 100% winner. Look at this. So it's having its chain, and you are my sunshine. So I think it does the job, and I know for sure that this is a pure winner. And there are so many good sellers available on AliExpress who are selling this product, and they are also having multiple variants of this product. I think it's a super cool product, and you should definitely give it a try. So guys, I really hope that you are able to find some value in this video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon, because I am on a mission to help you guys in achieving those 6, 7, 8 figures on your Shopify dropshipping store. If you're not following me on Instagram, then make sure to follow me on Instagram. Simply search for Moonis Ali Official on Instagram and you will be able to find me, because I like to share tons and tons of value on all the platforms. Guys, if you wish to learn the product research strategy which I have used in order to find these crazy products on AliExpress, and you want to learn more ways to find some really cool products for your Shopify store, and how to start your Shopify store right from scratch and scale it to the moon, then make sure that you check out Ecomx University. It is the most complete ecom training designed by yours truly. I have recorded more than 100 videos inside it. So make sure to check it out. I'm going to leave the link right under this video. And I would personally like to have you inside Ecomx University. And I have shared tons and tons of value inside Ecomx University. So if you actually like my style of teaching, and if you actually think that I can provide some value to you, then make sure to check out Ecomx University. I am really sure that you're going to love it. So guys, what are the products which you are going to test out of the list which I have shown you? Let me know in the comments so that I can also help you with any of your questions. And make sure to watch out my upcoming video, because it is going to be a mind-blowing video for you guys. You're going to love it. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my next video. So this is your friend Moonis Ali signing off.